Freedom versus choice, the contradiction that traps us all. We live in a world where freedom is considered a fundamental pillar of existence. From a young age, we are taught that being free means choosing our own path. But what happens when the sheer number of options overwhelms us to the point of paralysis? This is the dilemma of freedom versus choice, a paradox that impacts our lives more than we realize. Freedom, understood as the ability to make autonomous decisions, is a deeply desired ideal. Yet in a society overflowing with alternatives, this freedom can become a burden. Every choice comes with responsibility and often a sense of loss. When we choose one thing, we inevitably leave others behind, which can lead to regret or doubt about whether we made the right decision. This contradiction is reflected in the concept known as the paradox of choice. According to psychologist Barry Schwartz, having too many options doesn't make us happier, it does the opposite. The more alternatives we have, the harder it becomes to make a decision, and the more likely we are to feel dissatisfied with the outcome. In this context, freedom becomes a double-edged sword. The more options we are presented with, the heavier our decisions become, and consequently, the greater the anxiety we may experience. This raises an important question: are we truly freer when we have more options, or does real freedom lie in simplifying our lives and focusing on what truly matters? The solution isn't to reject freedom but to learn how to manage it. Choosing consciously means valuing our priorities, understanding what truly matters to us, and accepting that we can't have it all. When we embrace this idea, we free ourselves from the tyranny of infinite options and find peace in the decisions we make. The contradiction between freedom and choice invites us to reconsider what it means to be truly free. It's not about accumulating options but about finding clarity in our decisions. In the end, true freedom is not the absence of limits but the ability to live with purpose and in harmony with our choices. Discover the intriguing paradox between freedom and choice in this video. Could having too many options steal our happiness and clarity? Explore how to manage decisions consciously and find true freedom in a world filled with alternatives. Reflect on this contradiction and learn to live with purpose.